Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy PowerPoint feature that can take your presentations to the next level, making pictures transparent in PowerPoint 2025. Whether you're designing slides for work, school, or personal projects, this technique adds a professional touch by letting elements blend seamlessly. Let's get started. It only takes a few simple steps. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the picture. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, click on Pictures, and select the image from your files. Once it's inserted, click on the picture to select it. This will bring up the Format tab in the ribbon. In the Format tab, look for the Adjust group. It's usually on the right side. Here, you'll find the Transparency button. Click on it, and a slider will pop up. Drag the slider to adjust the level of transparency. For instance, if you want your picture to be 50% see-through, just slide it to 50%. You'll see the changes happen in real time on your slide, so you can fine-tune it perfectly. Now, if your picture is inside a shape, like a rectangle or circle, the process is a bit different. Right-click on the shape, select Format Shape from the menu, and then go to the Fill section. Under Fill, you can adjust the transparency for the picture fill. This is great for creating overlays or subtle backgrounds. One quick tip. If transparency isn't working as expected, check if your picture is grouped with other objects. Sometimes, you need to ungroup them first by right-clicking and selecting Ungroup. Easy fixes like this keep things smooth. And there you have it. Your pictures are now transparent and ready to impress. Practice this on your next presentation to see how it enhances your design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.